Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So this is Tian, and in this video I'm going to talk about pages. So in last two videos I have talked about posts and media. So in pages you can see two section. One is all pages and another one is add new. In all pages you can see all the pages you have at this moment. So right now I have a private privacy policy page which I did not create. It was created by default. So if I click on preview, I can see that page, and WordPress will also create a sample page for you, so you can view that as well. So in the privacy policy, you can see who we are. Our website address is localhost/Tian, and there are some bunch of text and media and cookies. So basically this is a random privacy policy page that you will find after you have set up your WordPress in your local host or your main host, I don't know. So you can see another page called sample page. So this is some random text here. You can click on this so that you can edit these things as well. And you can also delete this page if you click on this trash button. The page will not be entirely deleted, it will be in the trash folder. So after you go to the trash folder and you select some page and you click from here delete permanently, or you can also click here delete permanently, or if you want to restore the page you can simply click on this restore, then it will be back in the all pages tab. So if you go to all pages now, you can see all the pages here, and this is the pages WordPress will create by default. You can see we have installed WordPress on 2019 18th December, and this page was created then. So either you can keep these or you can basically delete these pages as per your demand. So and another thing is you can add a new page. So I am adding a new page, a random page, and you can do whatever you want. This is the image, this is the heading tag, and this is you can actually do a gallery here. You can add more blocks. This is a paragraph block, then you can add blocks from here as well. This is an image block. This is a quote block. So you can basically do a lot of things with the Gutenberg uh, plugin, which is by default in WordPress right now. You won't see the classic editor anymore, but if you want to use the classic editor like old times, then you can basically go to plugins here, and you can install the classic editor plugin as if you want. So I will dive more into that later when I am talking about the plugins section. So that will be in another video. But for now, let's preview this page. And this page has nothing, so we can see a cool WordPress logo here while we are waiting. So we have basically nothing here. This is the icon from quote, I guess, if I'm not wrong. So we have no text here, but if we put some things here, we can see here as well, like let's write a code, uh, a random quote by Tian. So if we preview this now, then we can see this here in anytime soon. So that so a random quote by Tian. So we can do anything and everything with this WordPress Gutenberg, and this looks so simple. And this is there isn't any style here, so that it kind of looks pale right now. But if we do some styling, and if we focus more on user interface and user experience, then we will see great looking WordPress page. So that's about WordPress page for this video. I will talk about this more, when we are working with these things, so that you don't get lost. So I'm just giving some basic information out there for you guys who don't know what these things are, so that you can follow along. And for those who already know this stuff, those can skip these video tutorials. So in the next video tutorials I will be talking about comments, and in the following videos I will take these things and finish them one by one, and after that we will dive more into some advanced stuff of WordPress theme development, some PHP, some basic PHP that you need to know when you are dealing with WordPress environment, so that you can get yourself a hang of it. So yeah, that's about it. About it in this video. So I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.